everyone, welcome back to the Rachel and Ryan show. We have a bug catcher bucket and we are going to open it up and see what's inside.
I found some.
So Ryan already has taken some of the stuff out of the bucket, so now let's just get into what we've got inside. Okay, let's show everyone what you found. So inside we have the bug book, and it kind of lets us know what we're going to be getting in our bug catcher bucket. So let's open it up.
I just found some wrong.
Okay. So we've got our bottle, which Ryan has. He has already started looking for bugs. He's got some roly-polies in there. Then we have our, what are these? These are our bug tongs. So we can get bugs this way. Who?
Caleb got those.
Caleb has some of those?
Yeah.
All right, next we have our net for him to catch some of those quick flying bugs.
Butterflies just fly.
Yeah, butterflies are flying. We also have the different bugs that they give you an idea to find, like butterflies like Ryan mentioned, fireflies, flies, ladybugs, all of that. We're gonna go find all of those things. And then next, we have our test tubes where we can put different specimens in. And these are the lids that go with these to keep them shut. Right here.
What are these?
Those are your tweezers.
Tweezers?
Then we have, that's another lid. What else is in there? What's left?
This.
That's your pipette.
And this.
And your magnifying glass.
And this.
And this is your petri dish. And then there is like a little opening to this top container piece, because when you catch some bugs, you can actually keep them in here and they'll be able to breathe. And you can let them go this way for the ones that fly. So, are you ready to go find some bugs?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, get ready, set, go.
Let's go. I am down.
What are you gonna take with you to go look for the bugs?
My tweezers and this.
All right, let's go.
Okay, we're going.
So he's starting near the bushes, moving those bricks off, and he's gonna go see what he can find. What you got?
It makes me so happy. It makes me so happy.
What you got?
Bowie.
Let me see him. Oh, are you gonna add him to your collection?
Yes, here. I found another Bowie.
Here, put it in my hand. Hey, little guy.
I found another Bowie.
Awesome, Ryan. And okay, so where do we put them?
In this jar. You can put them in the jar with these.
Okay, open it up. You get it open?
No.
Hurry, because they're gonna get out of my hand. You need me to open it? Here, take the bug. There are 3 roly-polies in here, and now we've got some more. Go ahead, put them in.
Eat off of my thing.
All right, now we've got 5 roly-polies.